And by the way, can you believe where I'm stepping on? This is actually a bridge, not man-made, but once again, this is Madhuko Media. First, I want to thank you so much. You have been with us. We have seen a lot of increase in our views, in our subscriptions. We want to thank you so much. We want you to keep that spirit. Today we are having another shoot. We are going to visit the Bridge of God. But I want to ask you, continue to support us, continue to subscribe, continue to share, continue to watch, and we really appreciate you. Now, today we are in a place called Morori. It's a few kilometers from, you can see at my background, Morori town. It's a small town, and it's a few kilometers from Embu town. So whatever direction you are coming from, you may be coming from Nairobi, that is on my right. You may be coming from Embu. And the bottom line is, it's a place you need to come and watch. So we will be branching on my right. It's a rough road, and actually it can be a walking distance from here. You can stretch. And finally we are here. I told you by the way, it's called like, I'm actually very excited. We are finally here at Ivanyamindi. This is, I told you, it's Morori, Bridge of God. But hey, can we take a pic? You know, you can see for yourself. Very beautiful place, like an amazing place. I can't wait, but there's a lot to see. There's a lot to see by the way. We are now going to see the real thing. And by the way, can you believe where I'm stepping on? This is actually a bridge, not man-made, but made by God Himself, the man upstairs. You can see it's like it looks like a normal road, very normal, but we are on top of the bridge of the river you just saw, River Nyamindi. It's very exciting by the way. We are going to go even like underground. We see the amazing works of God, the creation. Actually, it's like amazing. We are lucky enough. We have met a few guys here. You can see them. Mzee, habari? Ongea na huyu mtu wetu, huyu mtazamaji wetu. Unaweza mwambia jina, unaitwa?
Mimi naitwa William Mwesoki.
Wewe ni
jina lingine naitwa Juma.
Mkaaji wa huku?
Mkaaji wa huku. Hapa ndio nimelelewa, ndio nimezaliwa. Hapa ndio nyumbani.
Sasa tuko wapi sasa?
Tuko kwa daraja ya Mungu.
Tuko juu ya daraja ya Mungu.
Tuko juu ya daraja ya Mungu.
Okay.
Yeah.
You hear that? So now we are going to go around. We see how it is. Before, now we let our cameraman show you around. you know. But it's like an amazing place, serene. But they are here, by the, you know, for the lovers actually. You can, there are a few nice places around. You can, you know, you can bring that special someone, you know. But it's a great place. So mzee, si tuonyeshe tutaingilia wapi?
Tunaweza kuingia pale.
Tunaingia hivi? Sawa. Acha tuangalie. But this place is very steep. By the way, usikuja na slippers, ukikuja this place, it's very steep, you know. Yes. Finally we are here. Now we are underground to the bridge itself. You can see for yourself actually, it's like, you can't have the exact ones to explain how it's built. The only thing you can do is actually just be amazed by the amazing structures, actually how it looks. It looks amazing, it looks beautiful. And you can see behind me by this, okay, you can just say, you have to see this for yourself to believe. You know, I had a few people here. I had a friend of mine who came hiking with me. He actually was amazed. He is still asking whether this was made by, like, you know, man, when he can't believe. But I think he should say something. He should say something. What do you think, by the way?
Wow, I can tell you, this place is amazing. It's an experience of a lifetime. I've never seen this before. This has never been seen anywhere in Kenya. I can tell you that unless any other place I've never traveled, this is my first time to see such a, is it called what?
God's Bridge?
Bridge of God, or God's Bridge.
Yeah,
when you're on top there, you can't believe this is how it is. Until you go down here, you get to believe that it's a bridge of God. You can see the arrangement of stones. This is not quarry or there is no concrete here. Actually, it is natural. I can tell you. Let all the viewers come here and see this amazing, the work of God. It's very amazing, I'm telling you. It's a live experience time. I think so many people should come here and see what is happening on this side. Yeah.
And as I told you by the earlier, wapenda now by the you could bring like your family to see this by the. It doesn't matter where you are, just make sure you come here. You follow our video actually, because I think like we have explained okay, the directions and everything else. And you can see like there's a few wapenda nao hapa, ameleta familia yake. It's a beautiful place, very cool. So first things first, wacha kuna wale majamaa wamekuja kutuonyesha hii place, wacha tuongee na mmoja ama wawili wao, then we talk to the lovers, then alafu we see around. Kuna wazee wawili hapa watatuambia majina. Watueleze about hii bridge. Wao ni wazaliwa wa huko. Wameiona. So, mzee, tuambie majina.
Mimi naitwa Michael Kajero, Methenya. Na hapa mimi ni jirani kabisa hapa sababu nimeoa huku. Na nilipokuja huku nikakuta hii daraja, nilikuta inaitwa daraja ya Mungu. Lakini kilichonistabisha sana ni kuona kwamba hakuna kitu kimejengwa na mtu. Kila kitu ni cha ajabu.
Na kulingana na vile watu husema, hiyo jina ilitoka wapi? Mbona inaitwa
daraja ya Mungu? Inatokana na kwamba hakuna mtu aliijenga na yule mzungu alikuja kuijenga pale, kuihamisha hapa, ilibomoka.
Na ikabebwa yote.
Mzungu alikuja akajaribu kujenga yake ikaanguka.
Na juzi Mchina huyu unaona hapa amejenga, alikuja akanunua kwa baba yangu, akaja akajaribu kuhamisha hii daraja, ilifunikwa yote. Hii haihamishwi na mtu na sio ya binadamu, hii ni ya Mungu.
Hii ni ya Mungu.
Na kila kitu kilikuwa pale mmeona pale mkiingia, ilifunikwa yote na ikaisha. Amejenga upya na yeye akakaa pembeni. Na amejenga mara mbili, lakini sasa hivi ako pembeni. Alijaribu kuhamisha hii ndio ajenge ya kwake. Hakuna kitu kilionekana.
Sasa hii daraja kwa kuzaliwa nimezaliwa huku, kulewa nimelelewa huku. Hata kama ni swimming tumeanza kuswimu hapa yote. Kwa hapa kwa hivi kwa inaitwa River Nyamindi. Mimi sioni mahali hapa tunaweza kunielezea ati niko mgeni hapa. Hii daraja vile iko. Usifikiria tu ukiangalia juu usifikiria tu kuna simiti ya mtu aliweka huko. Hii ni maneno ya Mungu. Maneno ya Mungu. Vile iko sasa, hizi na mawe hata ukijaribu kuondoa moja hapa. Wewe utaenda na hii mtu. Na mawe irudi hapo hapo. Sasa wale mzungu wa kwanza alijaribu kuhamisha hii daraja. Ile mahali alikuwa amepanga hapa ndio atengeneza daraja. Ilibebwa yote na mto. Chuma zingine tulikuwa tunachukua huko chini.
Hearted folks, you just can't make this stuff up, but it's like just an amazing place. It has left me actually very few things to say by the way. I will just first actually I will let my cameraman show you around. First of all, we see the amazement of this place. We came, we saw, we experienced. It has been an amazing journey. Thank you so much for coming with us. This is Morindoko ward. It's in Kirinyaga County. Anytime you can come see for yourself, as I told you, but it's like breathtaking. It's an amazing place, a beautiful place. You have to come and see this. Once again, I'll continue to tell you, like, we really appreciate your support. It means so much. By the continue to support us, by the now help us reach even like 1,000 subscribers, 1,000 views. We really appreciate that. Continue to support Madhuko Media, and I'm out.